Hello to my viewers. Today's topic is about rational expressions. This math is intended to the grade 8 students. I have here number 1, 8 over a plus 4 plus 11 over a plus 4. So take note, they have the same denominators. So we will take the common denominators. Denominator I mean. So a plus 4 divided by a plus 4, that will be 1 times 8. Then this will be plus a plus 4 divided by a plus 4, that is 1 times 11. So the answer for number 1 is 19 over a plus 4. Now let's proceed to number 2. A over a squared plus 4a. Then minus a over a plus 4 squared. So let us factor the denominator, the first denominator and the second denominator. So for the first denominator, common factor will be a plus 4. Then minus, so meaning I have 2a plus 4. Okay. So this one will be LCD, a and a plus 4 squared, because I have two factors in here and then only one. So LCD is a times a plus 4 squared. It's my LCD. So divide this one by a squared, no, a. So a plus 4 squared is divided by a plus 4. So meaning cross out. One of these it will be cross out. So I have here a plus 4 times a. Times a. This is a, sorry. Then minus this one, a times a plus 4 squared divided by a plus 4 squared, cross out. So I have a, then the numerator is a, so multiply by a. Distribute, this will be a squared plus 4a. Then this will be a squared minus a squared over a plus 4 squared. So this one will be crossed out. So I have here 4a over a plus 4 squared. A will be crossed out also. So final answer will be 4 over a plus 4 squared. That's all.